Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a stock that is about to explode tomorrow and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's pre-market analysis video, right after the intro. All right, y'all, right off the bat. Again, this morning I warned you guys about a potential pullback, about some turbulence that we were about to experience, and we got some of that, all right? And it helped us out a little bit today for those of y'all who watched this morning's video. But so far, as you can see, there was some magical unicorn news that popped up and the market turned bullish immediately in an instant. So for anybody who were patiently waiting to catch that dip over here and even chase in this region, again, for anybody who did that, you should be in a very, very good position. I think we're about to make new highs. Right now, the market looks like it wants to head to that $4,000 mark, right? So again, we'll follow up on this one in tomorrow morning's video. Now, the stock that is on the thumbnail that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for tomorrow, that stock is Tesla. All right, and the reason why I want to share Tesla with y'all, I think I spelled that wrong. Tesla. There you go. And the reason why I want to share Tesla with all of you is because of this. If you take a look at the 4-hour chart, there is a very clean, very clean flag that looks like it's about to break out. It wants to break out. All right, I want to put this one on your radar because we have done this before in the past. All right, it's a similar scenario, so watch this one for a break. Tomorrow I won't be surprised to see this thing go all the way up to like 714. Again, like I said, for anybody who bought the dip today or chased that news today, you should be in a good position. I think it's about to open up very high at around $714. And then after that, it's just going to run. It's going to run along with the whole market. And the price target that I see here for Tesla is literally anywhere over here between like $750, maybe even $800, maybe. Okay, 800 is a maybe. 750 is a very good possibility that we could see that. So definitely keep Tesla on your watch list for a potential break of that line tomorrow. All right, the setup is looking very clean. So there you go. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. This is gonna be very interesting. Now, somebody this morning told me, or not told me, but wrote in the comment section that they ended up losing money on VIAC, which I really didn't understand how you could lose money on this play right here. Again, we've been stalking this one for a long time, all right? We've been stalking it for a very long time, and it played out to perfection over here. I told all of you this morning, hey, it's time to go short, all right? I specifically told you multiple times in that video, all you had to do was buy puts somewhere over here. Again, if you did not buy puts over here, all you had to do was buy puts in here. And then, like I said, don't be too greedy as it falls and it's going towards in your direction. Okay, we're gonna take a look at my trade. All right, so here is, we're gonna go straight onto here. This is the history of my trade on it. If you go all the way down, as you can see, I loaded up on a lot of puts, a lot of the 96.5 puts. I bought about 8 of them, all right? And this one was, I started buying at noon, and then another one at 2 o'clock, and then another one 2:45, and another one near the close, all right? And all of these points I mapped out here, all right? I started buying in this region, all right? And the total cost was around like 4,800, somewhere around there. And then I ended up selling it for a total of 7,920 bucks, all of them at 939. And if you go on here to 939, if we zoom in, I'm kind of like a bit ticked off because I missed the bottom by $2. I sold right over here at $88 and the bottom was 86, which is still not bad. Still some room for improvement, but it's still not bad. And then what I did next to make this even easier for everybody, right? I went over here to the community tab and then I posted this one. Well done. This was like the indication that you were supposed to like take some money off the table. Some people got it again, and some people decided to be a little too greedy. I'm not bullish on this one as of like long term. I'm not bullish. I just think it's gonna drag its feet for a very long time before it really tanks, right? But the main money to be made on this one was that move. That was the move that I was really really anticipating, that I really wanted to cash that one. And congratulations to anybody who caught this one with me as well. All right. Other stocks that did all right. HD. I mentioned HD in this morning's video about how this one was going to be an opportunity for short sellers. It dropped, yes, but there really wasn't any. It was choppy. Like, I'm pretty sure if you bought puts on this one, you made probably no money. It was choppy. It went literally nowhere. All right. In the grand scheme of things, it's still in the flag. Could it go higher? Yes, I think so, because it's following the market. This one has a tendency to follow the market, and it might even break out and go up even higher towards 290. All right. If you've been holding since here, don't forget to take some money off the table, at least some, just in case I'm wrong, just in case it tanks all the way down to 270, like I said in the video. All right, just in case, if you've been holding that long. But as of right now, just be very patient. If it breaks out of the flag, then it's good for a long. If it doesn't, then there is a very good buying opportunity at around this region right here, near the 272 273-ish region. All right. And that is another one that I mentioned in this morning's video. Like I said, today was supposed to be a relatively easy day. I set it up pretty nicely for y'all. Y'all remember plug? Y'all remember what I said about plug, right? I told y'all to wait and to watch this thing drop near $35. I specifically told y'all. And for all of you who were paying attention to this one, I mean, the money was there. Like, the money was clearly there. It went all the way up to that circle that I drew this morning at $40. It went right over here at 40. I think this was what, $39.99, $39.95. So for anybody who was able to catch this one, congratulations. That was the perfect spot to buy it. And plus, it made something very easy right over here, right there. All right, if you are on the fence of whether you should buy this thing or not. So do I think this thing is gonna keep going higher? I definitely think so. All right, that dip, look at that volume at the bottom. Yeah, that is a very strong dip buy. I will not be surprised to see it right back up to where it was within the next few days. All right, this is at this level right here. All right, very good level to buy that dip. Very good level to buy this dip. Okay, so keep this one on your watches as well. For those of you who didn't buy that dip, there's still some room to be made to the upside. All right, so now somebody in the comments asked about Fuse, and Fuse right now is forming a double bottom. The stock actually just got out. It didn't just get out the gates. It had its up and then it had it's down along with the whole market. But right now it is forming a double bottom. Would I want to short this? No, I would not want to short this. Also, there's a bullish engulfing candle on the daily chart. It could run back up to like 1150 very soon. Well, maybe not very soon, but it's gonna take a few days for it to get back to 1150 for sure. But I don't think it's gonna go down even further. I think it's gonna either go sideways or slowly make its way back up. And that is my very honest opinion on that one. Now, the last one that we're going to talk about in this video is waste management. Now, waste management took a turn for the worse. All right. Again, there was a lot of money to be made here. If you've been if you following the channel and if you've been watching the videos, again, all of this money, we all made this money. I don't know how. I see in the comments some people lost money on this thing. Like, I don't understand how you were able to make to lose money off of this when I released that first video at 113. I don't understand it. And plus, like, if you look at what happened today, like for me, as soon as I see something that looks like this, I tend to immediately just get out and just walk away. Like this, the stock was weak from the very beginning, and there was no reason for you to be extra greedy on this when we made so much money off of this stock. All right, could it go higher? Yes. Do I think it's gonna jump tomorrow and immediately spike to 129? I don't think so. I think it's gonna take a sweet time, and probably it's gonna take a few days to weeks in order to get up here and try to retest these highs again. All right, so that's my very honest opinion of waste management, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel grow faster and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these post-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday, every single day in the afternoon, and the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday through Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, you are interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get set up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks after setting up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video, right? I hope all of you made some money today, okay? Have a wonderful night and enjoy the outro.